Is it morning? I'll just say good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Emily's Amateur Hour. Today we are making jeon, which is Korean pancakes. Specifically our take on pajeon, which is green onion Korean pancake, which is fried on like a griddle and can be crispy and has lots of green onions and carrots in it. So my co-teacher gave me this mix so we don't have to mix the flour, and on the back there are instructions for how much flour you put in with how much water, because it's just flour and water mix, but we don't have a measuring cup yet, so we just kind of eyeballed it. I've already mixed the flour, so I kind of just use this mug to measure and put in maybe about a full mug of that, maybe a little more of the mix, and then added water until I got the right consistency. So this is kind of a more runny consistency, which should be good for a thinner, flatter pancake. And then we're cutting up some carrots, some onions. We have, I think these are Korean green onions here. And then we've got some sausage cooking in the pan, some like kielbasa type sausage, and we're going to cook all of that first and then mix it into our batter and make some pancakes. Alright, hopefully it tastes good. Oh my god. It's so crispy. Don't laugh at me.